Yo, what's good, everybody? This is the boy JC, and this is my Steam Deck. I just got it, and I'm so excited to show you guys. I'm going to do my unboxing, but I'm going to do something different with this unboxing today. Alright, everybody on YouTube see many people unbox it, show some games and stuff, and everybody get excited. But I'm going to do something different. What I'm going to do different is going to give you guys some information for those that reserve their Steam Deck. According to Steam's website, for the reservations in September, if you get to do your reservations in September, you may get the email, you may get the purchase email soon, and you should get it by the fourth quarter. You should get it by December. Alright, a little history about this bad boy right here for me. In February, I put on my $5 reservations to get this bad boy here. I got the email on September the 8th. That was on a Thursday, 3 days before September 11th. And according to the email, I have to purchase this bad boy by 1:03 Sunday afternoon. So I did not purchase it until approximately 4:19 p.m. So that's 3 hours from the time they said I should purchase it. No, I read online, I don't remember where I read online, where if you don't purchase it by the date, Steam give you a grace period. So I guess I got to purchase it on the grace period, which is cool. Now, so if you get the email, for those who get the email to buy their Steam Deck, and you get 72 hours to buy it, and you're not able to buy it within the 72 hours, I think you get a grace period, but you just have to send Steam support an email and they will confirm with you, which I didn't. I just purchased it late, and I'm surprised I got the email after that saying yes, the purchase has been confirmed, which is pretty cool. Now, the time frame of getting it, that's a different thing. They usually said, some people on Reddit says they get it in 3 days, some people say they get it in 7 days, but it all depends on where you live. And FedEx, and they use FedEx home shipping or something like that, where they deliver 7 days a week. Now, that's a good thing, but it all depends on where you live, because some FedEx warehouses, they don't operate on Sunday, while some do. So bear that in mind. If you purchase your Steam Deck and you're waiting, for those that don't have it yet, the chances that you may get it within 7 days or 3 days, it all depends on how your FedEx operates in your city where you live. All right, so I send Steam an email on the 14th. That's 3 days after I made the purchase, and I was like, I tell him I would like to know when I will get my Steam Deck, because I purchased it for 3 days. I was getting very impatient. They sent me an email on the 15th. Steam support sent me an email on the 15th at 10:32 p.m. say they're preparing to ship it. I was excited. So 4 days after I purchased, this, Steam sent me an email saying they're shipping it. So for those who purchase a Steam Deck and they want to have an idea when they may get it, you may get an email from Steam within 3 to 4 days letting you know when they're going to ship it, and they should send some other information. But anyway, fast forwarding, on the 16th, 5 days after I purchased this device right here, they sent me an email. They sent me an email saying that prepared for shipping. So they said what they'll do, they're going to send an email to prepare for shipping with a tracking number. When I hit the tracking number, it says I'll get it on the 18th. The 18th would be a Sunday, so that'll be approximately 7 days. And then after that, when I see that Sunday come, they changed it to Monday. I was kind of upset. I was like, I'm waiting all day Sunday, like why I'm not getting my Steam Deck on Sunday according to FedEx. FedEx changed it to Monday, but actually I got it on Monday. And the reason, and I figure out why. The FedEx in my area does not open on Sunday; it open on Monday. So I keep on tracking it, and they start the delivery at 5 o'clock Monday morning, and I got it Monday afternoon. So that's pretty cool. So bear that in mind. If you live in an area where your FedEx operates on a Sunday, you may get it on a Sunday. So that'll be approximately like 7 days from the day you purchase it, you will get it. For those that don't have days yet and they're kind of curious, that's why I said this unboxing is going to be totally different. I'm not just going to open it and show you guys and go all crazy. I want you guys to be informed so you can have a peace of mind saying, when am I going to get my Steam Deck? Now you have a general idea, but it all based where you live in the US. And if your FedEx in the area open 7 days a week, so approximately I get it 8 days, which is pretty cool, and that is not bad. So I just want to let you guys know all of this right off the jump. So now for the exciting part. This Steam Deck I purchased, this one is a 512 gigabyte version. So I got some accessories that I want to show, but it's coming. So I'm not going to go deep into this unboxing. I'm just going to open up this box and see what the Steam Deck looks like. So without further ado, let me just cut this bad boy open for the first time. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. Whew, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, you see that bad boy right here? This is what it looks like. With all these writings all over inside the box. And this one right here, plug, power on. So they basically say they got to power this bad boy on. And this is what it comes in the box. This is a picture of the Steam Deck. And for the manual, you got to scan this QR code right here to get the manual on how to set up and operate the Steam Deck, which is pretty awesome. So with the Steam Deck, like I said, about the 512 gigabyte version, which they say should come with a digital keyboard and anti-glare screen. We'll see about that in the next videos to come. So as I said, everybody has seen an unboxing video before, but this one is totally different. And like you already know, my videos is always sponsored by MODP, my own damn pocket. All right, check this out. So let me just get it out of the plastic. Beautiful right here. Your games are going places. That's what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. And it comes with this beautiful case right here. Let me just get it out of the plastic. Oh yeah, look at it. Glistening Steam Deck. Designed by Valve Corporations. Boom, awesome. And like I said, this bad boy was shipped from Carol's team in Illinois. So this is the case that it comes in. Very beautiful, soft case. What's this on the bottom here? This is like a pouch. I don't know what's the pouch for, but this is what comes when you buy the 512 gigabyte version Steam. This is like a pouch. I don't know what it is for, so I put it to the side. And this is cool. Come with a nice little strap, so you could walk and like put it on the wrist or wherever. That is cool. I like this little carry strap right here. That's tight and it's elastic. But before I open this bad boy and end this video, let's see what's inside this little box right here. I'm so excited. I can't wait to power this bad boy up. I'm going to do some other videos about this bad boy in days to come. So I just want to see what it looks like and end the video from there. Alright, see what's inside here. So this right here is the power adapter, I would assume. And this bad boy is how many watts? Try to zoom to see how many watts this bad boy is. Input 100 to 200 voltage. Output is 5 or whatever amperes, blah blah blah. Anyway, whatever, I don't care. Oh, this bad boy, you can't flip it and close it. I wish he had. I wish it was the type where you could just flip it and hide it, which would be cool. The cord is pretty thick, and it seems pretty long. And this is a USB Type-C, so fast charging, data. You already know the deal. Let's see what's inside this box right here. I think it's some paperwork. This is for the Steam Deck, whatever this bad boy is, from Valve. Okay, I'll put that to the side. Now, for the main event. Oh snap! Look at this. Look at this. You see what they did? For the case, it comes with the zip tie right here to let you know this bad boy was not been tampered with. This is all original. I like this. Come with a zip tie right here. So let you know that only, and it got this nice Valve logo on it right here. Look at that. Valve logo on the zip and the tag. So in other words, if you get a Steam Deck and it doesn't have this tag right here, that means it's been tampered with. It could be stolen or it could be a used one. So make sure when you buy a Steam Deck, you should have this tag right here, this tag, security tag with the Valve logo right here. If it doesn't have it, it's tampered with, or they may sold a used one, or somebody could steal it and put a brick in there. So let me just be the first to do it. Okay, let me admire this first thing first. This nice Steam Deck logo right here. Nice soft touch. I love it. Anyway, let me just do this real quick and end this video. It's like cutting a red ribbon. All right. I like the attention to details with the white top right here for the zipper. Oh God, here we go. I'm anticipating. Anticipation level is at 100 right now. Whew, there we go. Oh, yeah. Yo, this sucker is huge. Yo, this is huge. Wow. Got a nice QR code right here in the back. Wonder what that's for. Yo, this feels good. The buttons are very clicky, and it feels very solid too. Nice trackpad. Wow, this is nice. You can see I think this is for heat dissipation. You got the volume rocker right here, the headphone jack, USB Type-C, power, and all the other good stuff. Let me put it to the side real quick. So in the package, it comes with this cloth right here, Steam Deck, so you could wipe the screen off when you got the fingerprints and all that stuff on it. Wipe it off, and look at the screen. This is anti-glare. Look at it. Like I said, I'm going to do some tests. I'm going to do some tests to it in the coming days. In the days to come. But inside this case, look at it, nice and gray. You got a nice soft feeling to it, almost like Alcantara. But this feels very good. I wonder what it's strapped for. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to check something real quick. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to compare this in size with the Nintendo Switch, the OLED screen. So let me put this bad boy to the side right here. So this is the Nintendo Switch with the OLED screen. And this is a Steam Deck. You can tell that the Steam Deck is very huge, but let me try to put it side by side with all screen. I'll say screen wise it's the same length. No, I'll say screen wise it's the same length, but the screen on the Nintendo Switch is wider because it got slimmer bezels. But on the Steam Deck, it got the bezels on the side are wider. So I'll say the screen on the Nintendo Switch is more narrow and wider, and it got smaller bezels. The Steam Deck, it looks bigger, wider, it looks almost the same in terms of lengthwise, but it have less screen real estate because you got the thick bezels to the side. Anyway, like I said, just want to show you guys real quick. But let me see if there's any juice, and then I'm going to end this video. But God, I like the way this feels. This feels very good. Let me see if there's any juice, then I'm going to end this video. Let me hold on the power button real quick. I guess it ain't got no juice. Bring it up close. Let me hold up the button one more time. There's no light. So, for those who buy their Steam Deck, right off the jump, it does not come with juice. So you're going to have to plug this bad boy up and get some juice. But like I said, this is just an unusual unboxing. So guys, stay tuned. I got some more video. I'm going to do some testing with this bad boys and some gameplays. I got some accessories I want to use on this bad boy. So keep back, relax, and be patient. All right. This is the boy JC. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I catch you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in, and I appreciate your time and your effort. God bless.